ever wondered why common ailments like eczema, herpes simplex, lumbago, and varicose veins occur? Perhaps you've searched for answers, but never quite found the link that connects them all. Could there be an underlying cause that's been overlooked? Well, what if we told you it might have something to do with a certain mineral in your body? A mineral that's essential for strong teeth, healthy bones, and the elasticity of your skin and fibers. What if we told you that a deficiency in one key mineral in your body could be contributing to these health issues? This vital mineral is known as Calc Fluor, or calcium fluoride. Imagine a multifaceted gem playing a crucial role in your body's well-being. That's Calc Fluor for you. It's the unseen hero that strengthens tissues, bestowing upon them the gift of elasticity. It's the silent worker that contributes to the healthy elasticity of your skin and fibers, ensuring they bounce back no matter what. But that's not all. Calc Fluor is like the protective guardian of your bones and teeth, making them strong and resilient. Picture your bones standing tall and strong like ancient pillars, thanks to Calc Fluor, and your teeth gleaming white and sturdy, all thanks to this essential mineral. Now, let's delve deeper and understand what happens when Calc Fluor is deficient in our bodies. You might be surprised to know that a host of health problems can emerge from such a deficiency. Varicose veins, eczema, constipation, sluggish circulation. They might seem unrelated, but they all point towards a lack of Calc Fluor. Ever had brittle nails that break easily, or poor tooth enamel that makes your smile less bright? Or perhaps you've noticed dry, flaky skin, or a ticklish cough that just won't go away. These are all signs that your body is calling out for more Calc Fluor. So, you see, a deficiency in Calc Fluor can lead to a wide variety of health problems. But don't worry. In our next segment, we'll discuss how to remedy this deficiency and restore your body's balance. Now that we understand what Calc Fluor does in our body, let's delve deeper into its importance and benefits. This homeopathic remedy, often referred to as the Elasticity Mineral, is a vital component of the cells of our bones, especially the surface, tooth enamel, and the elastic fibers of the skin, muscle tissue, and blood vessels. Calc Fluor is essential for maintaining the strength of our teeth and bones. Moreover, it's responsible for the healthy elasticity of our skin and fibers. Picture it as the body's natural elastic band, keeping our tissues flexible and resilient. But that's not all. Calc Fluor also plays a significant role in restoring and maintaining tissue elasticity. It supports the elasticity of ligaments and blood vessels, contributing to their proper functioning. Furthermore, it promotes healthy bones and teeth, ensuring they remain strong and robust. Clearly, Calc Fluor plays a crucial role in our overall health. So let's give it the recognition it deserves. You might be wondering, how can we combat a deficiency of Calc Fluor? Well, the answer lies in understanding the importance of this mineral in our daily diet. Calc Fluor is found in whole grains, seafood, and green leafy vegetables, so incorporating these into your meals is a great first step. If dietary changes aren't enough, homeopathic remedies can provide an extra boost. Calc Fluor tissue salts, often available in tablet form, can help restore tissue elasticity, strengthen teeth and bones, and improve circulation. However, it's important to consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new supplementation regimen. They can provide personalized advice based on your specific needs and health history. Additionally, maintaining a balanced lifestyle with regular exercise and adequate rest can also contribute to overall well-being and help prevent Calc Fluor deficiency. Remember, a healthy body is a happy body. Make sure you're getting enough Calc Fluor to keep your body in tip-top shape.